Hello everyone, my name is Pramil Belia. I am from Acropolis Institute of Technology and Research Indore. Today I am presenting my presentation on my topic how Hadoop integrates with modern security tools. First, we will know about the introduction of Hadoop. Hadoop is an open source software programming framework for storing a large amount of data and performing the computation. Its framework is based on Java programming with some native code in C and Shell scripts. Hadoop is an open source software framework that is used to storing and processing large amount of data in a distributed computing environment. It is designed to handle big data and is based on the MapReduce programming model, which allows for the parallel processing of large data sets. These are some of the features of Hadoop. Like it is fault tolerance, it is highly available, its programming is easy, it have huge flexible storage, it is of low cost. These are the important security in Hadoop environment. In today's data-driven world, organizations face difficulty managing and securing massive amounts of data. This is where Hadoop, a free and open source platform, comes into play. Hadoop enables enterprises to handle and store massive volumes of data across commodity hardware clusters. However, as data becomes more complicated and valuable, maintaining its security becomes increasingly important. Hadoop security refers to the methods, tools, and procedures used to safeguard data stored and processed within a Hadoop ecosystem. Now, for securing Hadoops, there are two A's: authentication and authorization. Authentication is the process ensures that only authorized user can access the Hadoop cluster. It entails authenticating users' identities using various mechanisms such as username and password, digital certificate, or biometric authentication. Organizations can reduce the risk of unauthorized access and secure their data from dangerous actors by establishing strong authentication protocols. And authorization governs the action an authenticated user can take within the Hadoop cluster. It entails creating access restrictions and permissions depending on the roles and responsibilities of the users. Organization can enforce the concept of least privilege by allowing users only the privilege required to complete their tasks. If adequate authorization procedures are in place, this reduces the possibility of unauthorized data tampering or exposure. Now, how data encryption done in Hadoop? This is the part of it. To further enhance the security of Hadoop environment, data encryption is a critical measure. Encryption protects both at rest and in transit, ensuring that it remains confidential and secure. Implementing encryption algorithms such as ACE and securing communication channels through SSL TLS protocols adds an extra layer of protection against potential attacks and unauthorized access to sensitive information. Now, the auditing and monitoring in Hadoop is done in data encryption. Auditing and monitoring play a crucial role in maintaining the security of Hadoop environment. By tracking and analyzing user activities, system logos, and access controls, organizations gain visibility into potential security breaches and can take proactive measures to prevent them. Robust auditing and monitoring practices ensure that any suspicious or unauthorized activities are promptly detected and addressed, helping to safeguard sensitive data and maintain the integrity of the Hadoop system. Now, how the security issues are came in Hadoop. So Hadoop is enabling organization to analyze vast and rich data stores and derives actionable insights that inform new and better products and services and help to create a competitive advantage. But the benefit of Hadoop come with risks. Hopefully, the above information will help organization to gain a better understanding of the security and compliance issues associated with Hadoop and to implement the best practices to keep in sensitive data safe and secure going forward. Now, integration of Hadoop. Integration Hadoop with a robust firewall and antivirus solution is crucial to enhance the security of your Hadoop infrastructure. A firewall can monitor incoming and outgoing network traffic, while an antivirus can detect and remove malware. This integration adds an extra layer of protection against potential cyber attacks and ensure the integrity and confidentiality of your data. Now this is the conclusion of our whole slide. So in this you can read the slide and this is the brief conclusion about all the whole slide. Now if you have any questions you can ask me in the comments. I will answer you later, and thank you for watching.